Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to add payment method on your WhatsApp. If you want to add any bank account, right, you can easily add it. The prerequisite is you should have UPI number with your bank account. So for that, right, I'm going to add it. Already I have valid UPI account, so I'm going to add it. Need to tap this, tap it, tap this three dots, and here you can see this payment methods. Your mobile phone number should match with your bank account. Here we need to tap this add payment method. You can see all list of banks here. For example, if you are in US, you should choose your US bank account. Basically, in this video, I'm going to add Indian account number. Then select your bank, which is matching your mobile number. Here, right, for this mobile number, it is matching with this HDFC. So I'm going to tap this HDFC. You can search a lot of banks here. Even right, you can search here. So HDFC Bank. So I'm going to tap it. Here, right, I need to verify via SMS. So I'm going to tap this verify via SMS. Hello. It is verifying my phone number. So bank account is found. I'm going to tap that. So here you can see the bank account number which is displayed, which is matching my mobile number. So I'm going to tap that. For security reason, right, it is not displaying on the screen. So I'm going to tap it. Tap the bank account number. Super. That's all. Now it's done. You can send a payment now. Done. You can see this. Here it is added. My bank account details is added here. So that's it, friends. Even right, you can add more bank accounts. For example, if you're using same mobile number with any other bank, you can add it tapping this add payment method. Again, you can add more banks. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks on my video forms. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.